Are you worried about your curls reverting back every time you straighten your hair or just blow it out? Well, in this video, I'm going to ease that worry. Before we get started, girl, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video. And because I know you already love me, or you're going to, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because I need you to, and because you want to. So the very first thing that I'm doing is treating my scalp today. I am so in love with this new Herbal line that I am using on the days that I am having a small outbreak from HS on my scalp. This shampoo and conditioner is so calming, and you know, my facial routine, that's coming up soon, all that stuff. But if you are interested in any of the products that I will be telling you about in this video, make sure you check the links in the description box below and follow me on Amazon, because coming really soon I will have an Amazon live coming that will give you anywhere between 20 to 35% off all of the products that I will be using in this video. Yes. So at this point I have taken my braids out and I'm tired, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down for a minute, do some journaling, fell to sleep, and then in the morning I got up to actually wash my hair. Everyone has different sebum levels and different issues that they deal with in their scalp. So I'm in love with this line because it has options for absolutely everyone. So if you want to know more detailed information, check out the blog post that I have waiting for you, once again, where? In the description box below. But this is a super duper simple. The one that I am using is going to be for, you know, anti-irritation and soothing, because at this point, you know, you guys know about HS. If you don't, click the link in the description box below to learn more. But I want you to pay attention to how my curls look as soon as it's wet. Most of the time, the mistake that most people make, as soon as you see a piece of hair that is not curly, you want to go ahead and cut it. But the truth is, when your hair is going from alpha keratin, which is your hair in its natural state, to beta keratin, which is the new state that you give it whenever you flat iron it or blow dry it, what ends up happening when you wet your hair needs time to go all the way back to alpha. So first thing, make sure that when you're shampooing your hair, you're going in a downward motion. You don't want to disturb or confuse the cuticle by going vigorously in different directions. So it's real simple. Just look at what I'm doing. Simple, girl. I'm not gonna do nothing weird like, you know, sitting upside down while I'm washing my hair and then burping and stuff. So just keep up with it.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Woody, let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go.
Alrighty, so at this point, conditioner's all in and stuff. I'm gonna wash it out in a second, but still giving my hair time to go back up to alpha completely, because it's not something that'll take a couple of seconds. But as I have this conditioner on my hair, I am making sure, where you saw me rub it in, yeah. So now I am blow drying my hair for my protective style. Now, I sometimes use a liquid leave-in conditioner if I am doing a silk press, but I only use a cream leave-in conditioner if I am not using a flat iron. If I'm using a flat iron, this is just my personal preference. I do not use a cream leave-in conditioner because it's just a little bit too much to cook that cream into my hair's cuticle. Yeah, and if you need more information on that, leave me some comments below and I will do so. Yeah, but remember, every product that I use, remember, you just using a product and slapping it in your hair real quick is doing absolutely nothing. It is imperative that you work any product that you're putting in your hair into the hair shaft, because that's what the product is made for. Most products don't work, or they don't do their job, or people will still get heat damage because you just slap the product on without working it into the hair. One comment that I see all the time, people are like, why she keep combing through her hair like that? Why you keep having your hands in your hair like that? But the truth is, as a cosmetologist, you understand that every product that you use must be worked into the hair's cuticle before it can accomplish its goal. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm just using this blowout cream that I absolutely love. Link in the description box below. And if you caught one of my last Amazon lives, you probably already have this, because this one is, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box.